Deadpool goes insane and kills the Marvel Universe? Let's read about it. In the beginning of this story, the X-Men have kidnapped Deadpool and they've offered to bring him to the Ravencroft Institute to be mentally helped. But little did they know that the facility that they brought Deadpool to is a little bit shady, and Dr. Brighton is conducting experiments on Deadpool. And while Dr. Brighton is conducting these experiments, a voice in Deadpool's head comes out they never knew he had. And the voice tells him to break out of his bindings and kill the Doctor brutally, and sets a flame to Ravencroft. But the voice doesn't stop, and it tells him to go after more heroes, so the first people he stops by is the Fantastic Four. And surprisingly enough, he collects a tool from the Fantastic Four and he's able to see the Watcher, so he kills him too. As time goes on, Deadpool kills more and more people from the Marvel Universe like Ghost Rider and Doctor Doom in the most brutal ways, even killing one of his best friends, Spider-Man, with no remorse. Eventually all the Avengers meet up and they all notice that everybody else is dying off, so they have to make a plan to stop Deadpool. But while they're all trying to make a plan, Deadpool set up Pym particle bombs and he blows up all the Avengers, leaving only a couple alive. When Thor gets up out of the wreckage, he tries to kill Deadpool, but Deadpool uses the last of the Pym particles and he throws it at his hammer, crushing Thor instantly. After this, Deadpool tries to take on Hulk, but he doesn't stand a chance against the Hulk. So he waits until he's Bruce Banner again and he cuts off his head instantly. And with no other team or hero left on Earth, he pays a visit to the X-Men and he kidnaps them all and puts them in Saw-like torture chambers. So Deadpool says that if he peers into Deadpool's mind, he probably could save the X-Men if he's strong enough. So Charles Xavier does, and what he sees is so terrible that he just dies. And the final hero to stand in Deadpool's way is Wolverine. But when the two go toe-to-toe, Deadpool says that the only reason why he's alive is because he's overhyped, as he slices his head off. A little while after this happens, he eventually finds the gateway to the multiverse. When he enters the multiverse, he finds out that there are worlds just like his with more heroes in them, so he wants to purge all of them. But he wants to visit one world in particular, and that world is the Writer's Room. And funnily enough, the writers are actually writing Deadpool Kills the Marvel Universe as we speak. And then Deadpool looks at the fourth wall and he says, "I'll find you soon enough."